keep in mind, Bernardo has 5 personals, huh? Grigsby. Near steal. Newsom preserves it. 4. Yes!
Isa na ako isang araw.
Ako rin ng isa sa Antipolo. Ganda ng turn. Verdana against Grigsby. Puts it out. It'll score. That's a foul. Brickman. Drop pass to Hodge.
What a pass by Jason Brickman. Points for Cliff Hodge and a superb defensive effort as well.
But, you know, 4 bigla. Oh. Tama ng Meralco. 89, baba sa 7.
So makikita mo talaga.
Dinikit nila. Tapos. It's been a long night for Tim Cohn.